Alright guys, so we're going to be gapping spark plugs. If you guys don't have these are at AutoZone. Mine's even labeled AutoZone. All you're going to do is just slide it in and run it until you feel some resistance. And that's where your gap's going to be at. Right now mine's about 0.31. 0.031, I'm sorry. And I need it down to 0.022. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slide it back, use the coin itself, and you're just going to push the top of the little L in just a little bit. Check your gap again. Mine somehow got bigger. You guys see that? It's time.
Yeah, this was a good idea, bro.
Yeah.
Good.
Alright guys, with the new spark plugs, you always want to put a little bit of anti-seize on. You want to put a little bit of anti-seize on them. Not Cajun Sparkle. As good as Cajun Sparkle is, it does not work well in SR20s. There it is. Just like any other bolt on a car, you always want to start threading it by hand first, just to avoid any cross-threading so you're not damaging threads. And if you live near an airport, it really sucks to try to record because you got an airplane flying overhead every 6 minutes. Alright guys, so the new plugs are in. There was a little stutter in the beginning, but it evened itself out. New plugs are in, they're done. I just realized the video probably got really dark because I walked into the garage. We noticed I do have a loose valve cover bolt. I'm not sure if it's stripped or if it's a dress-up kit. That's just kind of shitty. But we're going to dig a little deeper into that later tonight when I have time and find out what's the source of that. And hopefully that's just, you know, a $4 bolt that needs to be replaced, and that'll be that. But spark plug change is good. I originally thought I was going to have to clean the injectors just because under power the car would kind of sputter, but just ripping it up and down the block it seemed to go away, so I might have just had a shitty spark plug from sitting all winter. So if that was only the cause of it, I think we'll be good for tuning then. Let's get it. Oh, wait, no, that's the end of the video. Catch you on the next one. Catch you on the next one. I'm recording me trying to fucking fight with this.